Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday afternoon, November 15th. We are looking at Window Traders market profile of the ES and NQ. Quiet day today, very small range, $2.58. However, in the bigger picture, the bulls have to be thrilled. It's still going higher here. We have a 10 POC that's right at yesterday's high. Now, a couple things to keep in mind. First off, Righty exploded early today. They went up 1.5%, but gave that all back, but still trade above the base of the price probe all day. They barely got it in A. They took out both the overnight high and low. All they have to lean on today is G's high as an afternoon rally high. NQ, now we never got that overnight high. That is now a monthly high, and Triple Q's overnight high is a yearly high. NQ didn't get the yearly high. Triple Q's go out 9 wide. Again, I'm in bigger increments. It's 9 wide with an afternoon rally high in K. ES and SPY go out 10 wide with an afternoon rally high in K. First day in a while, we did not attempt to go trend on either side. You can tell the bulls were tired. We have a poor high, both us and SPY. Tremendous amount of volume was packed in here. Even in SPY, I keep forgetting I lose SPY's volume at the end of the day. But there was some real heavy volume going on in SPY, back and forth through that opening. Had a good day today, and believe it or not, I was off on the short side. Especially NQ. I just felt NQ was acting a little funnier. So I shorted NQ in A period to fill the gap. That worked out nicely. I took a short in B period in ES. I ended up taking a 2-point loss on it. Any patience, I would have made money on it because I didn't think we were going to go trend, and we didn't, but it pushed up high and I just took it off. No real excuse for that. C period, I redeemed myself by taking the short in ES again because I didn't think we'd go trend, and that paid me. I shorted NQ in E period 3 times. Once to get D's low and stop the one-time framing. The second time was to get the IB low. The third time was to get the overnight low. So did well in E period and NQ on that. H period, I took 2 shorts in ES. One to get the overnight low, which paid nice, and then again when we pushed up, because at that point I still thought we'd pull back a bit, which we did. And then we finally stopped when I took out H's high. And then I took shorts in K period in both NQ and ES because I thought it would be the afternoon rally highs, which they were, and go back to POC, which they did. So we saw the day very well. I told the room, basically after H period and I said, I don't think we make a new high or low on the day. I said, I think the market had its chance. The bulls are tired. The bears failed. I said, I think we're going to stay inside the range. And we did. So it's awesome to see a day like that and to start getting the traders in our room, especially the younger ones, to see that and why we're looking for that. I still think it would be healthy to put the daily into balance again. So maybe tomorrow we take out yesterday's low and come into a 3-day balance. Remember, if it does it in the overnight, it doesn't count. So I think that would be healthy to go balance a little bit in the daily, then come out of it, get the poor high, get the monthly overnight high at some point going forward, and go for a new yearly high. As far as destinations, our upside is 9 wide pocket 450.09, right at half back. 450.69 the afternoon rally high, and today's high 451.38, which is a daily high and poor high, but I'm also carrying forward tonight's the overnight at 451.76 because that's the monthly overnight high. For the downside, all we have is today's low 448.80. We never got yesterday's POC. I thought we had a chance to get it. We never did. In ES, the downside is 10.75, and then our upside is our 9 wide pocket 23.75. 29.50 is the afternoon rally high. 36.75 is today's high and poor high, and then 41.25 is our overnight monthly high. And then look at NQ. Now again, this is meaningless to me. It has to happen in regular trade now, is to take out a daily low. And then in the chart, so here's the daily. Now, we were just talking about in the room, we one-time framed up 8 days, had an outside day down to come into balance, and now we're one-time framing up 4 days again. So 12 out of 13 days one-time framing. But do you see the way we got balance here? Right? And then exploded again? That's what I want to see again. Because these gaps are just huge magnitude. This one, and this one. So let's come into balance. I don't care if we even get into the gap. Right? That's not a... But come into some sort of balance, trade sideways, and then go for new yearly highs. The volume today, it's going to be lighted in, maybe 75 million. We're averaging 83. We'll see what the after hours. But for now, the bull's firmly in control on the weekly and daily, and the monthly is still in balance. Hope you had a good day trading. Thanks for the likes and subscribing to this channel. We've had a lot of people join up over the last month or so. Come join them and see what we're all about at camelbacktrading.org. Enjoy your evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.